A lot of our business is in America. A lot of our clients are in America, and a large number of our internal team are based out of the States as well, which works great for me because our sort of lunchtime, from like lunchtime to like the afternoon, is sort of like the morning time in America. So what that means is that gives me my morning time in the UK to really kind of get on top of like all of those priority things whilst America's asleep, if you want, whilst our clients are asleep, whilst my internal team are asleep. And then in the afternoon, my time, which is when the clients start waking up, it's when my internal team starts working and stuff like that. That's when I can like deal with any like internal stuff, any client stuff, and as well any kind of like day-to-day, less priority stuff. So I'll work in the afternoon, do all of that kind of thing. And then again, at the end of the day, I'll stroll back. It's another 20-minute walk through the park back to my apartment. And again, it's that time to think. It's that time to kind of reflect on what I've achieved that day, what I'm looking to achieve tomorrow. Gets you into that right mindset